Hey guys, welcome back to About Technology. In this video, I'm going to show you a magical trick to lock your folder without help of any third-party software. Locking the folder would prevent anybody from accessing it until he or she knows the password. So let's start. Let's say I want to create my password protected folder here, in which I'm going to save these images, this document, this folder and many more things. For that, I have to first create a notepad over here. Hit the right click button of your mouse, go to New and click on Text Document. It will create a new text document at this location. Now open this notepad and you have to paste a code over here. I have provided this code in the description below, so you can get it from there. Now once you paste this code, you have to save the file with .bat extension. But wait, before that you have to set the password which you will require to unlock the folder. Now where you have to set this password? So to set the password, you have to search for enter your password text in your code. Wherever you get this enter your password text in your code, you have to set your password there. So let me write here as lock. So from now onwards, this is my password. Now let us move ahead and save this file with .bat extension. For that, you have to go to File, click on Save As, and here I would name it as personal. You can name as you wish. Now, as I said earlier, we have to save this with .bat extension. So let's put .bat and click on Save. As soon as I hit the Save button, this personal.bat file has been saved here. And if you can notice, it is with .bat extension. Now to create a password protected folder, you just have to double click this file and it will execute and create a folder for you. So let's double click on this file. And as I said, it will execute and create a folder for you. So this is that folder. Now let me put all the files and folders that I want to protect in this locker folder. So let's proceed. So I have pasted all the necessary files and folder in this locker folder. Now let's go back. Remember, we have still not password protected this folder. To password protect the folder, you have to double click on bat file again. So let's double click on it. It will display a command prompt for you which will ask, are you sure you want to lock the folder? For yes, you have to type Y, and for no, you have to type N. So as we want to protect this folder, let's press Y and click on Enter. As soon as I hit Enter, that locker folder is vanished from here now. Now to retrieve it back, you just have to double click on this bat file again. It will display a command prompt again and it will ask you for the password. So let's type the password and hit Enter. Now you can see that this locker folder is displayed again. To access the files and folders in it, you have to simply double click on it and you can access the file and folder you want. Now to lock it back, you have to again click on this .bat file and it will again ask you, are you sure you want to lock the folder? So reply positively and type Y and hit Enter. And as you can see, that locker folder is vanished again. So whenever you have to retrieve that password protected folder again, you just have to double click on this bat file, and to lock it back again, you just have to double click on this bat file. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more Windows 11 videos, please subscribe this channel. It will notify you when any new video comes out. Feel free to comment below what other new videos would you like to see in future. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next. Bye bye.